I'm in a 2013 Buick Enclave, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your heated seats. So while the vehicle's on, we're going to look down here. These buttons are for your heated seats for the driver and the passenger side, and then you'll just click them to turn it on. So this is max heat, this is a lower setting, this is a minimal heat, and then this turns it off. And then it's the same thing, just click through till they're on or off. Same with the passenger side. So you got max and all the way down, and then the picture illustrates which areas of the seat are being heated. If this isn't working at all, first thing I would check your fuse is. A burnt fuse might make this inoperable. If that's not working, say like just one of these isn't lighting up, you might want to check behind this plastic, make sure all the connections are tight, nothing needs replaced or reconnected. If that's not working, especially if you've got just one seat not working, maybe check underneath, make sure all the connections are nice and tight, nothing needs replaced or reconnected. And then worst case scenario, maybe a bunch of spills came on and it shorted out something in the seat, might need to replace a part of the seat. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.